Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be putting, what are they called? Rain guards? What are they? Weather? I don't know. I'm gonna put something on the WRX. So I end up getting these off of eBay, I believe. Rain guards, weather guards, whatnot. Sucks though, because these have to like peel off the little weather strips here. Gotta bring it down, and then it has clips, and then it like sits in there. These like the things go there. Trying to mock them up real quick, see how they're gonna fit and look. It's legit. Weird, they're not just adhesive, they have clips that go into there, so extra piece.
See how this clip is supposed to.
Technical difficulties. Let me see. Maybe from there too. Alright, so pretty much we installed this one. I had to put the phone down real quick so I can actually lend a helping hand. These are actually kind of, I don't know if I would say I recommend these eBay ones. They're definitely a alternative if you want to spend like 100 and some change, but they are, I don't know, the clips kind of, these clips that are like right here doesn't really fit the actual door. They're kind of like loose a little bit, or was until you actually peeled the 3M tape that was along here and actually stuck it, but it's definitely like a pain in the behind. And now you gotta like work that. But I'll definitely give you guys a quick view of it when it's all said and done. Alright, so pretty much I'll retract my previous statement. We don't know the quality yet, but it was kind of a pain in the ass. But the clips get more solid when you put the seal back on that you got to take off, whatever it's called, the weather strip or whatnot. And so far so good. It looks alright. Looks like pretty good quality.
Came out smoother together than this side.
Alright, so here's the finished look of what it looks like. We got both sides on.
Not really happy with this side.
Looks dope. Sam's not happy with that side. Show you why. On this side, we figured out a way to like make it easier. Like there's a video on YouTube that tells you to put the clips on first, and then, you know, attach it with the 3M. But the way Sam figured it out to do was to peel the 3M first, stick it, and then do the clips. It's a lot easier, probably be 10 times faster. I don't know, it was easier for us, just say that way. She's happy with this side because it's like more flush. And then on the other side, where we're kind of like trying to figure stuff out, you can see right here, it's not as flush, but still looks good. So, eBay review, it's high. Would I do it again? Probably not. But it's a learning experience, so whatever. Looks nice. How much you pay for those?
40.
40 bucks. Compared to what was it? X, baby. But yeah, so.
You got my phone?
Yeah. There's a lineup. Got the WRX, the Cobalt, the Prelude over there. And that bad boy right there, boy. About to be putting on the rims for these. Putting on the rims right there. Can't wait. Alright, so that's pretty much that. It's going to be all for the video for today. Just a quick little touch up to the WRX. Showed you guys the lineup. I'm going to try to do more stuff in the summertime. But you know what? I live a normal life. Work a 6 to 2. Make average money. So it is what it is.